How to schedule emails in Outlook. Let's see how it's done. To schedule an email, first we need to click the New Mail button to compose the email. And next, enter all of the details here, the email account of the recipient, the purpose or the topic of the email in this subject field, and finally, the main content of the email in this box. To send emails, we will click this Send button. But to schedule email to be sent later, click this V-shaped arrow. And next, select the Schedule Send tab. In this pop-up, to schedule email, you can select either of these time and date suggested by Outlook, or you can select your own custom time and date to schedule the email. And done scheduling the email in Outlook. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.